familiar to you or you don't know what they mean. And I want you to write the word on a piece of paper and I want you to find the definition. Does everyone understand that? Go for it. Up.
Oh, I don't know this one. Just 10.
Just 10.
I have 11.
Okay, that's cool. You got 11? Oh, you keep going. You're doing good. How many have you got, Dax?
I've only found one because I know lots of these words.
Okay, cool. Okay, so, Summer, what have you got? Give me a word you found and what's the definition?
Civilization and the definition.
Yeah, just what do you think civilization means?
The people that are living in the place.
Yep, okay, cool. AJ?
Barbarian.
Ooh, good one. What is that?
A person who belongs to a tribe that is savage.
Okay. Anyone else? Dax?
Fumble. Moving clumsily in various directions.
Oh, who do we know that's like that?
The filmer.
Okay, Sian, what you got?
I didn't find it.
You didn't find any words you didn't know. Okay, cool. Alex, have you got any?
Pinpointed
Pinpointed. And what do you think that means?
at the spot where it's supposed to be.
Okay, awesome. So you guys now have got new words, new vocabulary, which you can use in any writing, not just in your Titanic project. You have a word written on that piece of paper that you have. Okay? Your job is to find out in 3 minutes as much as you can about that word. You will then move groups and you are going to look up the next word. Okay? So, for example, this one here says Liverpool. Your job is in 3 minutes only, using encyclopedias, dictionaries, your own background knowledge, anything you can do in the computers, to find out as much as you can about Liverpool. Somebody, one member in each team, will then write that on here. You have 3 minutes, so don't waste your time. Get your information back to your writer. You will then move groups. You're going to leave these where they are, and each group will move until you have all done all the sheets and words. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Questions? Okay. Right. Your first 3 minutes on your word starts now. Go.
What is it, guys? What is it? Eat it. Argo moving.
There's also one.
Liverpool is a place in England. It's
And green with
Argo.
What's the name?
Are you and wolf definition? Everyone can, it's just
No,
I can't read my own
just
handwriting.
write it. Doesn't matter.
Okay, the timer is going. When it goes off, you stop. Wherever you are.
This is it.
Okay, they came third. They came third in the Premier League.
They came third in the Premier League.
Soccer?
Okay, you've got to get other people's writing on these sheets, so don't spread yours with entire length and width. That's okay, they can squeeze up, don't worry.
April, we're good. Yeah, we're good.
You have 1 minute 15 left.
Primarily.
Jason and the Argonauts. Alright, so the manager is Liverpool manager is
Ours is also
No,
five.
wait. The Liverpool manager is Jurgen Klopp.
Yeah, if you work in work, you don't get them.
Oh my God.
You have 30 seconds left.
Come on.
Find out as much as you can.
30 seconds. Try and find some other.
Then use the other one.
Okay. It's only 30 seconds. We're not going to find it.
Just be quiet.
Alright, you gotta work for the donuts.
We only had 30 seconds.
Premier League football clubs.
Premier.
Second.
Hey! Time's up! Move your group! Move your group! Take your nook with you and move your group!
Well, we're standing here.
Hey, when you're all ready! Leave your pens where they are. You just need to move group.
No, I got it, Alex.
No open tables.
Oh,
Only ours.
Okay, you've got one group you have got to switch. So, this group you're going to have to flip-flop because they've already done that. You're going to have to move over there. Leave the sheets where they are. You just take yourselves. Okay, so everybody in a different place. You all know your word. On your mark. Get set. Go. 3 minutes. Starting now.
Okay.
Don't know the meaning of the graveyard.
I do. It's just right here. Exact. Okay.
I got it. I got meaning. I got the boiler meaning. Aiden, I got it.
Boiler meaning.
Aiden, I got it.
Okay. So a burial ground.
A cemetery or graveyard?
Here, I'll put this here so you can see.
Oh, right.
Especially
One beside boldly
What is this?
Okay. Look again. Look again. See what other Argos were out there. You have less than 2 minutes remaining.
a lot of things about Argo.
yes. Argo is
It says here.
Argo is the name. Argo is the name of the place. Hopefully you're alive.
I love that. Yeah. Come on, Dad.
Heavy.
You have 1 minute remaining. What the heck? 1 minute.
A central.
Don't have to write along the line.
Here. Heating system. It shows their.
Oh, very good.
Okay. Where can we put those
Yes.
Why are you so excited?
have 15 seconds.
Pressure. The deer is made of rock and stone. Perfect.
Five.
Donuts.
We should have got this. This was the real.
Time's up. Okay, time is up. Change room.
Jordan, go.
Coming.
Hey.
Now, hurry up, change. Make sure you are at one you haven't done before.
We need one that goes to
Get me over here again.
Here. There should be a group here on Liverpool. If your sheet is getting... Okay, everyone quiet. Okay, listen. If your sheet is getting very full, Grant, if your sheet is becoming very full, you're going to have to write along the sidelines. You can't switch over because there's writing on the back. You're going to have to use your imagination and write in the sidelines. I'm also going to cut you down to 2 minutes 30 because by now most of the real facts may have been found. So are you ready? Questions? She says. Go.
Liverpool. What is the meaning of Liverpool? What is the meaning of Liverpool?
The history of Liverpool.
Alright.
And if you want, you can switch over to somebody else. Just like try to spell Liverpool.
Can be traced. Okay. This is not so bad.
Graveyard is the name of a band. Seriously, see, everyone can write graveyard band.
That specializes in
It's
shipbuilding.
Of course.
Oh, perfect.
It's already up there.
That's it, just get nice and small. You've got room up here, you can write down the side. If you need a different colour pen, I can give you a different colour pen. Your fingers work as erasers.
Possibly.
Don't forget, you're on smaller time. You are down to just over a minute. You have just over 1 minute left.
Alright.
There's a cartoon on it. Graveyard is the name of a cartoon.
And they're most famous for building the Titanic.
Alright, well, we can just wait while everyone else is looking.
A cartoon.
They're famous for the heavy industrial. No, look. Muddy. This is the history of Where'd the marker go? Mine is orange, strawberry.
Okay, you are down to 15 seconds.
The graveyard.
Anything else next year? It's fine.
5, 4,
Yeah, all I can offer is that is spam.
time's up.
I survived the explosion.
Go round to your next one.
Let's do Liverpool.
Make sure you're at one you haven't 2 minutes. What number sheet are you on? Or on your fourth one?
Yep.
Fourth one, so you're now going to get 2 minutes. Okay, on your marks. Go.
What else?
We're gonna do this, guys. I'm the swag dude here.
Stop looking at me. I hate it. Nathan, sit there. Nathan, I need to sit there. Please sit there.
Okay,
I'll sit here. Harland is a
If you don't know what to write, draw a
boat
picture.
constructing company.
Draw a picture that means something about what you've got. If all the facts have gone, draw a picture. You can't find a fact, draw a picture of what it is. And it better be a sensible one. You are already down to 1 minute. It was quick.
just drawing a picture, remember? You can't draw this picture. But sometimes they're
Kind of like a Titanic boat, but it can't swim.
Harlan and Wolf, Titanic?
Yeah, it was about Titanic. I think they,
Okay, 30 seconds.
Harlan,
You're writing, you better get your facts to your person.
they made Titanic here. Because it was, it says, Northern Ireland. And that's where,
Heavy Northern. Oh wait, sorry, wrong people.
Okay, 5 seconds.
The heavy industry company.
look at
We did that.
2.
Look at this.
another explosion.
You're right. Okay, this one.
Okay, now this time.
Okay. No, we have to read it. Okay, we'll go. And you can see that next one we have to read.
April, the last one you haven't done. The last one you haven't done.
It's a city.
Okay, whoa, everyone stop. Freeze. On this last one, when you are done, you stay with the paper. Do not move, you're staying put. Are you all ready? Okay, final 2 minutes. If you can't find a fact, draw me a picture of what it looks like. Go.
I am.
Try this one, it might write better.
Heavy industries is a heavy
You're already down to 1.5 minutes.
industrial company.
Boilers are perfect heat source for your house.
We're done.
Specializing and
specializing
and shipbuilding.
Alright, so it's making. Alright, now you draw.
You are down to your last minute. Last minute.
And offshore.
Okay. I'll go and Titanic. See what comes up then. You have 30 seconds.
And Belvis. Belvis. I have that.
That's like about to be right there. Oh, wait, Belfast, not Belfast.
10, from each group is now going to attempt to read what is written on that sheet to everybody in the room. So which team wants to go first? Don't rush. You want to go first? You'll go first? Okay, Lizzie's group's go. Okay, you will be respectful to each other and you will listen, because when you're reading, you're going to want to hear what everyone else is saying. So please, be respectful, don't talk while they're reading. Okay, Lizzie's group, off you go.
Liverpool is a city in England. Liverpool is a soccer club. Liverpool Soccer Club came third in the Premier League. Liverpool is a home to Premier League. The history of Liverpool can be traced to the 1190s, when the place was known as Liverpool, possibly meaning a pool or creek, with muddy water through other origins. To the name have been the history of Liverpool can be traced judiciously back to 1190, when the place was known as Liverpool. Liverpool is a
That's the rest of this.
Maritime.
the maritime city in northwest England, where the river meshes in the sea.
Okay, everyone heard that? It's also the hometown of the Beatles. And nobody found that out. Okay, you guys can go next. Who's going to read? Jax?
Sure.
Well then, go for it.
So ours is the one that's like pink.
No, we're reading all of it.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
it's the one that's more
in Greek mythology was the ship with
Here, I'll read it.
no Jason and the Argonauts sailed from Locos to Koluch, is to reach
That's something else. Skip now.
the Gokan for Keepo. No, we're reading all of it.
Oh, what everybody wrote?
I can't really read this.
Okay, if you can't read the writing, just move on to a bit you can.
Argo is a true story. Argo is an awe of Argo ATV. Argo is the name of a ship and
Resource company.
company. In Greek mythology, Argo was the ship on
A witch
which Jason
and the
Argonauts sailed, release to Colchis to
Okay, this was a film that was released in 2012. That's what they're meaning. Okay, we're going to move on to AJ's group.
Harland and Wolff Heavy Industries is a heavy industrial company
If you can't read the word, move on.
specializing in shipbuilding. Their construction location in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Harland and Wolff Heavy Industries is a company.
Okay, this is the same.
It's all the same.
So that's the same. Harland and Wolff is a boat constructing company. They made the
Titanic.
Okay. What about
That's
this one?
the same.
Okay, so everyone was a bit stuck on Harland and Wolff. You guys want to go next?
Yes.
Okay, what's a boiler?
A boiler. Fuel burning apparel. That's for heating water in particular. A household device providing hot water supply or serving central heating system. Fuel burning thus for heating water in particular. A household device providing hot water supply or serving a central heating system. A tank for generating steam water pressure in a steam engine. A boiler is a which water or other fluid is heated. The fluid does not necessarily boil. The heated or vaporized fluid exists. The boiler for use in various fuel burning, dust for container, thus heating water, in particular, a household device providing a hot water supply or serving essential heating.
So we can presume a boiler heats.
A boiler direct comfort for direct comfort.
Okay.
Heating thingy.
That's long enough, I think. Okay, last
I
group.
just read this.
Okay, tell us what is a graveyard.
Okay. A cemetery or a graveyard is a place where the remains of dead people are buried or otherwise inherited. The word to put... Is that a part of that? Or is it a part of this?
Now you can see the importance of actually writing so people can read it. This is why we ask you to write neatly.
I don't know. I'm just going to go from here.
Okay, read the bit you can. Go.
Okay. The word cemetery, I'm Pleasanton, that the bund is specifically.
Okay.
Okay. A burial ground, especially
One beside.
beside a church where dead people are buried. It shows their timeline. The graveyard is made of rock and stone. Graveyard is named of a band. Graveyard is a name of a cartoon.
Okay, right.
And
Now we're going to, that's fine. I think we all know what a great, right. Now we're going to go on and read a passage and then you will be able to understand what is in here a little bit better, I hope, knowing now some background history.